Okay, while I'm waiting for the bearings and race to show up, on this wheel hub I have a stripped spot. This is the lug. It's supposed to be a 9/16 18, and all of these are fine except for that one. And so my options are to get a wheel stud, and have it going through like this. I'm going to retap it to the next larger size of find with this tapered edge, which is a 5/8 11. And the reason I'm going to do this instead of a wheel stud is because the tire and the rim is really heavy, and it's hard enough picking it up, let alone putting it up on a stud that would be sticking through. And so I'd be concerned that I'd be stripping that thread on that stud with the rim on the tire. So I'm going to try to tap this.